This no-code platform is here to deliver truly interactive demos using your product's HTML. You just got to install the Chrome extension and then click Start Recording to record a product demo. Let's try this out on Google Calendar events. As you click through the product, Fable's capturing every interaction. And when you stop the recording, you'll be able to create a new interactive demo. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you've picked added design elements, the auto-stitching feature will generate an HTML version of your entire recording. Now look at this, a demo that follows the step-by-step recording to guide us through Google Calendar events. Fable lets you edit everything, add new annotations, and tack on more steps using text and images. You can also customize the brand colors, effects, and CTA buttons. You can add lead forms with customizable HTML. So if you want to change any text, it's as easy as click and edit. Same goes for blurring, masking elements, and replacing images. So how can Fable actually help you? Well, you can share personalized demos with sales prospects before calls, and you can create interactive pages for your entire knowledge base. No more screenshots and boring support documents. Fable lets you embed demos on any website, share them as links, or configure them with custom webhooks.